Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pilumi and this is Sophia Studio. It's been a while since I recorded a video, or yeah, let's just leave it at that. Today I want to make a wall art. I saw the picture on Pinterest and I want to attempt it because I feel like I have all the materials needed. And yeah, let's just get right into it. I don't want to ramble too much. So I wanted to make this wall art and I just thought, why not record it? Because if it turns out good, then it could just be a tutorial for someone that would like to make something similar. So let me just show you what I have, the materials. So I have this like mirror that I got in a package and I've been keeping it, and unfortunately at some point it got shipped, but I think it will still work for this project. And then I have this cardboard that I saved from a package. And what else? I have air dry clay, some varnish, white paint, glue gun and some glue sticks, scissors, brush, and glue. I like super glue. Oh, one more thing. Last but not the least is aluminum foil paper. Okay, so let's get right into making. So the first thing will be to determine the shape that I want. Let's go with something like this. Okay. Okay. Now let's use the scissors and cut out the shape. Okay, I have managed somehow to cut this up. So what I want to do now is glue the mirror to the cardboard. I think we're gonna do it this way. Gotta go as fast as I can because it dries rather quickly. There you go. Need to the sides as well. Down to the cardboard. I think it's pretty sturdy. Next, I need to take the aluminum foil and sort of like create bumps along the edges. I'm gonna hot glue this down first and then see if I can put another layer to fill in the space in between. Okay, I had to use like a knife to cut off the excess. Alright, so now what I think I'm gonna do is try and smoothen out the surface so that the clay can stick onto the foil. And for that I'm gonna use like masking tape. This is what I'm gonna do all around. I think I should put it under as well. Okay, I'm done, and I think from this point on I'm just gonna record video without talking. So just gonna like clean up the edges. Hopefully this will work because I don't have like an X-Acto knife.
All right, switching to voiceover from this point. I'm just prepping the clay. As you can see here, there's nothing much to it. Opening the clay package and then just like massaging it a bit, trying to break it and make it softer. Then instead of rolling the clay all at once, I decided to break it down into small pieces, and that would make it easier to like roll and place sections on the mirror. It's pretty much simple from this point on. As you can see, just place the clay and tried my best to smoothen it. I didn't really care if it had bumps. I didn't want an overly smooth art. I thought that, having some texture would also make it nice. So as I was placing it along, I was also using water to like smoothen and join the pieces of clay together. And once I was done, I also used water to like smoothen everything. And this is the finished product. And I just let it dry for about 2 days. And then I decided to paint everything white. It's already white, but just to also cover up some cracks that showed up, I painted with white paint and then finished up with some glaze after the paint dried. I did 2 coats of the glaze. I think this is quite an important step just to protect the clay, protect it from water and, all of that. Just make it look like nice and glossy. And this is pretty much the finished product. I love it. Now I have to figure out where to hang it. I don't know where to hang it. I'm afraid that it's going to fall if I hang it up. I love how it turned out. It's a bit, I'm not even sure what vibe this is giving: bohemian, rustic, contemporary, modern. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so after a couple of days, this didn't take so long, except um, waiting for it to dry and all that. So this is my final product. I have to figure out where to hang it now. I hope you give this a try. I think it turned out okay. I like it. It's a bit like it's catching the reflection of the light. Anyways, it's a bit like rustic. I don't know what vibe, but give it a try and let me know. The sun is just like, okay guys, thanks for watching. Give this video a like, leave a comment, tell me if you tried, if you make any like changes to the process, if you make it bigger, anything. Just leave a comment, like, share this video to any other crafty DIY friends that you know, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.